Hello and Namaste Team Unison. The reason why Kavi feels to write something for chairs of responsibility is because they are like that bati of a diya who burn not just for themselves but for all, but to enlighten all. These charismatic leaders always try to walk an extra mile to make sure that their holy steps bring a difference in the lives of other souls. उनके लिए क्या लिखे कि जिन्होंने अपना किरदार जहन में उतार दिया हो. I mean, what can be written of a character who always keeps his role in his mind? फिर भी ऐसे कर्मशील किरदार के लिए कुछ तो लिखना बनता है, क्योंकि हम जब उनसे मिलते हैं तो हमें कभी भी महसूस नहीं होने देते हैं कि वो कहाँ विराजमान है. Meaning, this eclectic leader is a low profile soul, and this in turn makes communication not just possible but an opportunity to sit, to enjoy, to learn and discuss without any fuss. On the other hand, with high profile leaders, discussions are difficult and at times inoperable. But with Ishan sir, it's just our pleasure. The title of this work is A Youthful, Diligent, Accommodating and Humble Leadership in Action. This charismatic leader, in spite of his busy schedules, never acts as if he is busy. Instead, he tries his best to interact, to transcend his knowledge to all travelers traveling on this young ship. I mean, guys, he tries his best to attend and participate in activities like internal training meetings also. For souls who wish to become a corporate leaders in future, this young captain is a live framework, a framework that teaches work ethic, integrity and resilience. As it has been said, leaders are breeders of qualities they preach. So is this leader. He himself performs rituals and then he preaches. Happy birthday, Ishan sir. These are lines from the desk of a passionate learner on this young ship to the deck of the passionate captain who is also driving this ship with his exuberance. My naman to this guru leader whose eyes speak responsibility, dedication and integrity. Thank you.